I'm Rob.
And I'm Apollo, and this is the Nomad 883. It's a ready-to-run CNC milling machine that is at home in your shop, studio, or kitchen table. With the Nomad, you'll be able to make parts out of wood, plastic, or metal. You'll be able to make accurate and functional parts that have a professional fit and finish. And you'll be able to make parts without buying another thing. And the best part about it, you don't have to be a machinist to use it.
CNC mills can be intimidating. The setup is complicated, there's a lot of software, and they're huge. 3D printers are easy to use, but they can only print one type of material and they're not suited for high accuracy.
So we made the Nomad 883 to close the gap. It's simple to operate as a 3D printer with all the power of a milling machine.
The Nomad is ready to run right out of the box. Everything is included so you can begin making parts quickly. It's fully enclosed, so it's quiet and dust-free, and it comes with 2 enclosure options. Bamboo, that is studio and office friendly, and durable HDPE, that is perfect for your shop environment. We designed the Nomad with a rigid aluminum frame, giving you parts that are more accurate and machined quicker than a hobby-grade machine. We include Carbide Motion, our motion controller, and MeshCam, the CAM software that generates the G-code for the Nomad. The Nomad connects to your computer through USB, and both MeshCam and Carbide Motion work on Mac and Windows. The Nomad also comes with spare cutters and enough material to get you started. We designed our own spindle with a high-speed brushless motor and developed a speed control so that the cutter won't change speed as you machine different materials. We optimized the Nomad for fast movement while machining complicated 3D parts. And to make your life easier, we added automatic tool length setting, homing, and designed fixtures that make material setup and 2-sided machining easier. The Nomad cuts plastics like ABS, Delrin and acrylic, hardwoods, machining wax, Wren shape, and metals like aluminum and brass.
Imagine moving from an idea in the morning to a prototype in the afternoon. And think about how fast product development could be. If you could prototype all your high-precision PCBs in-house in one day, what would your team be capable of? Introducing the Other Mill Pro, the fastest and most affordable way to fabricate PCBs without a board house. The Other Mill Pro mills directly from Gerber files, achieves 6 mil trace in space, and effortlessly handles double-sided PCBs. Why spend half your design time waiting on the board house? Iterate as much as you need, and by the time you go into production, you know your parts will work perfectly. Product development becomes fluid and agile when you can create looks like, works like prototypes in a fraction of the time, with no training required.
At MindTribe, we work with a host of industries, everything from consumer electronics to medical devices and automotive. We have a saying, build less, faster. The quicker we can learn something, the faster we can get you on the right path. And so the Other Mill has provided us this great opportunity to give our clients the right answer faster, to build less and build it faster.
The Other Mill Pro comes from industry veterans that build products like you. We know what it means to develop production designs, and we've created the ultimate power tool to help you do your job. And like you, we're obsessed with precision, reliability, and quality. Every component in the Other Mill Pro is carefully selected and rigorously tested to ensure that it works perfectly out of the box. It's time to unlock your team's full capacity with the only tool that can rapidly and accurately prototype PCBs in-house. With the Other Mill Pro, you'll turn your vision into a product faster than ever before.